Noswaith dda MS Society Cymru, Al Lewis ydw i. My name's Al Lewis. I'm here to sing you a few songs tonight for your festive event, and so I thought I'd put you in the mood for Christmas with some Christmas songs, starting with my own, and this one is called A Child's Christmas in Wales. In my childhood seaside town, wrapped in wool and making mounds, for dousing fires and chasing cats, or postmen shiver on welcome mats, and hear the sound of the church bells ring for midnight prayers as the rooster sings. He's calling out for Christmas. He's calling out for Christmas. In morning snow I'd walk alone to see believers trudging home. The scent of Christmas fills the air, and mistletoe hangs everywhere. A llond y lle o'r anigwyn, aeth y teimlad fyth yn hyn. Mae Santa Claus di bod. Mae Santa Claus di bod. And it sounds like Father Christmas. It sounds like Father Christmas. And after dinner we're sleeping sound. Aunts and uncles, they gather round, telling tales and singing songs that make us feel like we belong. And as I slowly fall to sleep, I hear music fill our street. They're calling out for Christmas. They're singing now for Christmas. They're singing now for Christmas. They're singing now for Christmas. So that was my song, A Child's Christmas in Wales. And for the next song, I thought I would sing an old Christmas classic. This is called I'll Be Home for Christmas. I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Have snow and mistletoe and presents under the tree. Yeah. Christmas Eve, oh, you will find me where the love light gleams, but I'll be home for Christmas, if only in for Christmas. You can count on me, so please have snow and mistletoe, presents under the tree. Yeah. Christmas Eve, oh, it will find me, yeah, where the love light gleams. But I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dreams. Oh yeah, if only in my dreams. Oh yeah, if only in my dreams. Diolch yn fawr, Nadolig Llawen, Merry Christmas.